Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So today we're going to IKEA because I need to look for that lamp. It looks like it's gonna rain outside, so I need to hurry up. But I'm gonna go up there to see if I can find the lamp that I'm looking for my couch. If you guys are new here, I've recently ordered two things from IKEA and my order was canceled. So I'm gonna head up there to see if they have the lamp in stock and then find out what's going on with the shelf and see if I can go ahead and pay for it, and then they call me whenever it's at the store. So I did get some pictures for my studio, so I want to share that with you guys. They're so cute. They look so good in there. So let's head out. I might stick my head in Homegoods because it is one over in that area, like on Southside Boulevard. I got my hat on. I worked out early this morning. We went for a walk around the neighborhood about 6:30 this morning. We walked for an hour. So my hair is, I just washed this hair, so I'm just gonna let it air dry. I'm a hot girl. I do hot. Those ugly clouds. I'm gonna get caught in the rain. You know, I bought these masks from Amazon. I don't like them. Oh my ear. Cause it's like that opening right here. I don't feel secure. All right, y'all. Let's go in IKEA. See, this was the one that I was gonna get, but I wanted it in white. And they don't have any. Look at this. Now this is the lamp that I'm after. Yeah, I really want this. I think I might get this for my, oh wait, $4.49. Oh, I love this. So pretty. All right, y'all, so here's the shelf. This is it. It is $80. All the cute little glasses. I know I have this one. I have this one. So cute. Glasses. Alright, y'all, here's the lamp. And they're all out. They're all out. I'll be able to take you home with me soon. Oh my gosh. They're all out of a lot of stuff. Oh, those are kind of cute. I like those. That's cute. I love this lamp right here. This is so cute to me. I like this. This one is 44. Some prints. Those are so cute. Y'all, they didn't have anything that I wanted. Well, I guess we'll go to Homegoods and Target. See what they have in there. These ladies was giving me dirty stares. I do not want your man, okay? I have my own, honey. So, gotta tell him to look at his shoes when I walk by. Don't be looking at me crazy. see if we have any luck in here today. Look at this, y'all. This is so cute. Pretty tall. Cute. They don't have much in here today, y'all. Nothing really. Just a vlog. I'm at a different location, and the stores, the Homegoods today are like wiped out. There's like nothing. So we're gonna go ahead and head home because today wasn't a fun shopping day. So we're gonna go ahead and, what is this on my shirt? We're gonna go ahead and head home because these Homegoods today really suck. I should go to one, but I'm a little tired now, so. Y'all, so I went to Target. I didn't vlog in there, but y'all know that the Mayomi is my favorite red wine, and they have a rosé, so I bought that. And then I bought a bottle of Pinot Grigio that I've never tried, so I'll show y'all that when I get home. I am so hungry. It's 1:01. I haven't had anything to eat yet. I am starving, so I just went in Target because I need to get a picture frame. And then I just grabbed some wine and some salad. So when I get home, I can eat because I'm starving. All right, y'all, so I'm back home. So this is the Pinot Grigio Chloe. I'm gonna try this for the first time. And then y'all know that the Mayomi is my favorite red wine. So they have the rosé. Y'all see that? So I wanted to try this. And then I just bought some of this African black soap, the clarifying mud mask, some eyelash glue. I bought some spring mix, and then some of these little cucumbers to snack on. These are so good. I gotta fix me something to eat because I'm so hungry. Y'all, I'm so bored. Everybody's gone and I'm here by myself. Let's go ahead and try some of the wine. Let me turn my light on. I really don't have to turn my light on. Let me just turn up the brightness on the camera. And I can open up blinds. I don't have to turn on the light. Woohoo! It's bright. Okay. So I want to try the, if it'll focus, it's so bright over here. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna try some of the Mayomi Rosé first. Okay, I'm gonna try this first. This bottle was like $20. Pour some, a little ASMR. All right, let's see if we like it. Okay, it's good. Oh, there's my honey. He's outside. Oh, I really like that wine. That's really good. I still haven't eaten yet. I was just eating some cucumbers, and I really want some salmon. I don't know if I have any left. So if not, then maybe I'll cook up some shrimp and put it on my salad, because it's $2.14. But the cucumber, I had like 5 cucumbers. I really like cucumbers. So let's go in the studio so I can show y'all my new wall art. All right, y'all, we're in the studio. Are y'all ready to see my beautiful pictures? I love them. They're so good. Okay, y'all ready? Here we go. Boom. there it is. So good. I love it. I have to stay in an angle because the glare, if I stand this way, you guys won't be able to see it that good, so because of my windows. But here it is, and I love them. They're so good. I got these prints from Etsy, and I paid like $20 each for them, and then I just paid for someone to print them out for me. So this is a 24 by 36, and they look really good. I wanted to go up to, I think it's 32 by 48, but I had a really hard time finding some reasonable frames. So I went down to the 24 by 36, and I'm so happy that I did. I really, really like them. So yeah, those are my new pictures for my studio. Y'all, and I have to give a special shout out to DIY with KB because I've been bugging the crap out of that girl, okay? Anytime I want to do like some type of project or something, I'm hitting her up on Instagram. I really need your telephone number, Key, because look, I be needing some help sometimes, sis. But no, I originally asked her about getting some prints done because I've never done that before. And she told me to go to Walgreens and get the pictures printed and get the honey coupon, like she told me, the whole 9. So that's what I ended up doing. Then we had talked about I was thinking about putting it on the canvas, and you know, she helped me with that. But then I just was like, you know what, she was saying something about I had to put a finish on top of it, and I'm like, you know what, I don't got time for that because I'm not trying to mess it up. So I just went with the frames, and everything turned out good. So thank you so much, Key, because I was bugging her this weekend. All right, y'all, so a lot of you guys have been asking me to start including some cooking and making my drinks in my vlogs. So I'm gonna show you guys how I make my fish. I'm gonna do a piece of fried cod and some shrimp. So here's the shrimp here. I got the shrimp and the fish from Costco's. My husband is in the background cooking some seafood, some boiled seafood. So the shrimp come deveined already, but I like to turn them upside down and take this little part out because they don't do that for you. So I'm gonna just do that really quick, and then we're gonna have some fried seafood. So this will be my cheat day. I've already did this one. Can y'all see it? Okay. Alright. Tony's doing some Dungeness crab, shrimp, and green lip mussels for his cheat meal. Because we've been doing pretty good with our, we're not gonna call it a diet. We're just trying to, like, you know, eat healthier. But today is going down. Yeah. So you just pull that out. Well, hold on, let me do this over. Okay. Pull that out because we don't want that. So I only have 6 shrimp and then this really thick piece of fish. I hope it's focused, but yeah, this thick piece of cod. This is Tony's food.
It's going down.
He's putting some parsley on top. This looks so good, y'all. And this is his dip.
Gotta stir it up a little more.
Mayo, mustard, Frank's buffalo sauce, and you put accent or no?
No accent.
No accent, but y'all know I like to add accent to mine. But this looks so good. I'm so jealous. This is the seafood breading that we use. This is house poultry And it's already seasoned, but we still add a little bit of seasoning to our seafood when we do our fried seafood. So I'm gonna add just some garlic powder and maybe some accent, just a little bit. So garlic powder, just a little on the fish, both sides. And accent. And I'm also gonna do an egg wash for the shrimp. I need that pot. That is it for today's video. I know it's short, sweet. We don't have that much going on today. So I will see you guys on the next video. Bye, y'all.